We appreciate your interest in the doctor-supervised ChiroThin weight loss program. As one of the top weight loss programs in the country, we understand that prospective clients often have numerous inquiries about our program's efficacy and suitability for their unique circumstances. To address these questions, we've compiled a brief video covering the most common questions and concerns. After the video, the doctor or one of our staff will be available to address any additional queries you may have. Before we delve into the doctor-supervised ChiroThin weight loss protocol details, it's important to understand its history. The medical community developed the program's original concepts over 80 years ago. With advancements in science and technology, these concepts were refined, and in 2010, the ChiroThin weight loss program was created. If you are wondering whether ChiroThin works, let me assure you it does. ChiroThin's effectiveness has been clinically proven in over 1,600 healthcare facilities in the U.S. and Canada, where it has helped over 200,000 individuals. In 2018, a study with 573 participants provided further evidence of its success. As you continue watching this video, keep in mind that the ChiroThin weight loss program can help you shed 10 to 15% of your body weight, or 25 to 35 pounds in just 6 weeks, instead of 6 to 12 months when using diabetes drugs like Wegovy, Ozempic, semaglutide, or Mounjaro. This means that when following the ChiroThin protocol, you can expect weight loss surgery results without having dangerous surgery. ChiroThin does not require painful injections. It is drug-free, stimulant-free, hormone-free, and uses real food you buy at the grocery store. Additionally, ChiroThin doesn't prevent people with diabetes from accessing the medications they need to manage their condition. The ChiroThin weight loss program is a comprehensive, doctor-supervised weight loss and weight management program that addresses the 4 pillars of long-term healthy weight loss: dietary modification, behavioral modification, nutritional support, and exercise when appropriate. Our program utilizes the ChiroThin nutritional support formula, a proprietary blend of amino acids, vitamins, and detoxification boosters to provide dietary and behavioral modification and nutritional support. Unlike other weight loss programs requiring injections, our program does not involve needles. We also offer the AGGR nutritional supplement, a revolutionary formula that incorporates the latest research on natural substances related to health, weight loss, and weight maintenance. This breakthrough formula helps suppress appetite, increase metabolic rate, reduce carbohydrate conversion to sugar, increase fat burning, reduce the absorption of dietary fat, promote healthy blood insulin levels, and support healthy levels of 2 key hormones, leptin and adiponectin. Weekly supervision by a doctor ensures that the program is safe for both men and women, excluding pregnant and breastfeeding women, those with active cancer, or experiencing active gallbladder attacks. So, what are the benefits of the ChiroThin weight loss program? Our program offers a comprehensive approach that suppresses hunger, increases metabolism, promotes thermogenesis, and reduces the absorption of dietary fat. It supports healthy levels of leptin and adiponectin, helps reduce fat cell size, and promotes healthy blood insulin levels. Additionally, it helps your body burn more fat for energy and establish new set points for your BMI and BMR. Our program is safe and highly effective when followed as directed. Compared to conventional medical weight loss methods, which can be prohibitively expensive and often involve weight loss surgery, painful injections, prescription drugs with potentially harmful side effects, and persistent hunger without providing long-term solutions or strategies to maintain weight loss, ChiroThin offers a much more convenient and effective alternative. Many users even report needing to set reminders to eat, as the program eliminates the challenges associated with traditional weight loss methods. The ChiroThin weight loss program works because it is a doctor-led dietary and behavioral guidance program that includes the ChiroThin program's eating guidelines and a proprietary nutritional support formula. This program facilitates fat burning, suppresses hunger and cravings, and aids in creating new set points for BMI and BMR. Before I explain the importance of establishing new set points for BMI and BMR, let me define them. Think of a set point as the body's preferred state that it maintains over a prolonged period, whether healthy or unhealthy. For instance, if someone has been 25 pounds overweight for 6 months to a year, their body will make that weight their set point. Even if they lose weight through dieting, their body will attempt to return to the original set point, which increases the likelihood of regaining weight. This is known as rebound weight gain in traditional weight loss programs. If the same person loses weight through the ChiroThin weight loss program, which aids in establishing new set points for BMI and BMR, they are more likely to maintain the weight loss long term. After completing the program, they are less likely to experience the rebound weight gain commonly associated with traditional weight loss. With ChiroThin, you'll consume nearly 2 pounds of nutrient-dense, low glycemic index, anti-inflammatory foods spread across 2 meals daily. This allows you to maximize your weight loss and overall health benefits associated with micro and intermittent fasting. The ChiroThin weight loss program eating guidelines are a balanced diet, not a protein-only program. Each meal contains lean protein like beef, chicken, and seafood, fresh vegetables, and fresh fruit. This helps prevent health issues related to excessive ketosis, the buildup of crystals that can lead to gout, and dehydration. ChiroThin is safe for people with diabetes, helps improve muscular endurance, and aids in maintaining your electrolyte balance. The program teaches healthy shopping and eating habits with healthy foods promoting wellness. People often wonder about a typical meal in the ChiroThin program. Let me give you an example. This is a standard dinner plate and side plate with 4 ounces of cracked black pepper chicken breasts served with romaine lettuce, red onion, and celery. It's placed on top of a flat-out bread, which is one of the approved breads available at the ChiroThin approved storefront on Amazon or some local grocery stores. The vegetable is 4 ounces of steamed and chopped asparagus seasoned with lemon pepper, and an entire sliced orange is served on the side plate. The reason for choosing the doctor-supervised ChiroThin weight loss program is straightforward. Our exclusive and proprietary approach, coupled with our nutritional support formulas, delivers a 1-2 punch that most people require. With doctor supervision and an all-natural approach, our program does not involve shots, surgery, or medication with side effects. It comprises several ingredients that promote a metabolism boost, increase the transportation of fatty acids and energy production, suppress appetite and hunger, induce a feeling of fullness faster, help regulate blood sugar and maintain healthy insulin levels, and help reduce the absorption of dietary fat. After providing you with the program's basis, I would like to delve into the specifics of the doctor-supervised ChiroThin weight loss program. The program starts with an initial consultation, which includes a health history review, measurement of height, weight, and 8-point body measurements, a counseling session, a question and answer session, BMI calculation, and a review of instructional materials. During this consultation, we will assess if you are a suitable candidate for ChiroThin. If you are deemed eligible, you will receive a 42-day supply of the ChiroThin Nutritional Support Formula, an injection-free formula specifically designed by a doctor to assist with hunger and craving suppression, detoxification, muscle protection, and blood sugar stabilization. The formula comprises a distinct and exclusive blend of amino acids and liquid vitamin B12. Additionally, the program entails 6 weekly follow-up visits, each including a counseling session, weight, 8-point body measurement, and BMI calculation. In addition to the consultation mentioned above and follow-up visits, the doctor-supervised ChiroThin weight loss program offers an extensive instruction manual and exclusive access to a password-protected website at www.howtochirothin.com. This website provides you with detailed video instructions on how to undertake the weight loss program under a doctor's supervision. We also offer in-depth guidelines for the maintenance phase, which include valuable tools, tips, and tricks to ensure long-term weight loss success. Moreover, the program includes a 60-page recipe book to keep the diet enjoyable during the losing phase. Finally, the program includes a daily weight log and food journal to help you achieve maximum weight loss by monitoring your weight and making informed dietary and behavioral choices daily. The doctor-supervised ChiroThin weight loss program offers the unique opportunity to lose weight while simultaneously saving money. It's almost as if you're earning money to shed pounds. Here's how it works. During the ChiroThin losing phase, you'll spend roughly $700 less on food and dining out. Your savings will be even more significant if you frequently eat out, use food delivery services like Uber Eats, or indulge in fancy coffee drinks. Individuals often inquire whether the ChiroThin weight loss program is safe for them, particularly if they have pre-existing medical conditions such as diabetes, thyroid problems, high blood pressure, heart problems, a history of cancer, or have had a hysterectomy. The answer is unequivocally yes. The ChiroThin weight loss program is safe for people with these conditions. However, there are 4 contraindications or conditions in which the program should not be performed. These 4 contraindications include active cancer, pregnancy, breastfeeding, or having experienced gallbladder issues in the last 4 to 6 weeks. Individuals often ask if it's safe to undergo the ChiroThin weight loss program while taking certain medications. There are no known contraindications with any medications. However, it should be noted that females on hormone replacement therapy may experience slower and slightly less weight loss, but can still significantly reduce body inches. Patients often ask why the doctor-supervised ChiroThin weight loss program is more affordable than other programs. The answer is straightforward. Our program has no franchise fees or additional costs associated with separate office space or staff, allowing us to pass on the savings directly to our patients. Another common question is about the origin of our supplements. Our manufacturing facilities follow certified good manufacturing processes outlined by the FDA, are FDA certified, and undergo routine FDA inspection. Individuals often inquire about insurance coverage for the ChiroThin weight loss program. Unfortunately, insurance providers do not cover the program. However, many people utilize their flex savings or health savings accounts, as the program aligns with the latest coverage and reimbursement guidelines in most cases. We are frequently asked whether the ChiroThin program can be bought at a lower cost online. However, our program is doctor-supervised and not available for purchase online. Doctor supervision supports the ChiroThin weight loss program and works with your body's unique needs, so it is essential to have thorough doctor supervision throughout the process. Anyone claiming that long-term weight loss can be achieved by only taking drops or drugs and without making any dietary or lifestyle changes is promoting a false solution. We do not endorse or sell any such deceptive products. The doctor-supervised ChiroThin weight loss program is designed to facilitate safe and effective weight loss while under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Many clients seek our help after trying and failing at other weight loss programs, including various DIY options and the latest weight loss fads. While some may wonder if they can achieve the same results on their own, the more appropriate question is whether it is advisable to do so. The answer is a resounding no. Research has demonstrated that doctor supervision is essential for successful weight loss. Additionally, purchasing weight loss programs online poses risks as the quality, age, and product origin are often uncertain. We are also frequently asked whether additional supplements are needed while on the ChiroThin program. Because this is a doctor-supervised protocol and there have been over 250,000 individuals completing the ChiroThin weight loss program, your supervising doctor will advise you on whether additional supplementation would be beneficial or necessary while participating in the ChiroThin weight loss program. Additionally, please notify your supervising doctor if you are not taking a high-quality multivitamin like Ultravite, or if you experience periods of low energy, fatigue, or stress. Let me show you some before and after photos of real people who have achieved amazing results with the ChiroThin weight loss program. Meet Barb. She lost 27 pounds and 25 inches in just 42 days by following the program. Now this is Dan. With the program, he lost an impressive 33 pounds and 29 inches in only 42 days. Meet Jeannie. She lost 20 pounds and 20 inches in just 21 days with the program. This is Angelica. She lost 26 pounds and 24 inches in only 42 days with the ChiroThin program. And here we have Nancy. She lost 20 pounds and 19 inches in just 42 days with the program. Look at Roland. He lost a remarkable 56 pounds and 34 inches in only 42 days with the program. And finally, meet Don. He lost an incredible 96 pounds and 46 inches in under 5 months. Thank you for learning about the amazing results that the ChiroThin weight loss program can help you achieve. Our doctor or staff will meet with you shortly and be happy to answer any questions you may have.